Python and SoloLearn Coding for data. In SQL Select your car project. How to solve this problem or this project, follow me in this video. Subscribe to the channel to reach every new and important video we upload, and like the video and share the video with others. So here the problem: a car rental company wants to show customers the cars available within their budget. You have the following cars table. This is the car tables, the brand name, Toyota, Honda, and so on, model of the car, and then price per day. To write a query to select the car make, model, and the price per day only, not the ID column. From the cars table where the price per day is less than or equal $100. Just only show or select the cars of price of per day for rent less than $100. So we start with the capital letter select. Then the column names make this in small letters, the name are and comma, and then model, and then price per day. I will copy it because there is okay, price per day, price underscore per day. Okay, and then here on the same line, from its capital letters, from the table called cars, it's in small letters, where, this is very important keyword when query in SQL, where the price per day is less than or equal. يبقى هنا البرايس per day I will copy it, where price per day less than or equal 100. Okay, and then run this. Okay, it's good. Share the video with others, like it, and write any question. I will respond to you as soon as possible.